Just a minute, honey.
Heaven.
Just a minute, honey. Start and say the Lord's Prayer. Say it, honey.
The Lord's Prayer.
Go ahead.
The Lord's Prayer.
Say the prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom comes, the will be done, on earth as in heaven. Yesterday, a day with, and forgive us our trespasses, and we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and power, and joy forever and ever. Amen.
Yay! Good job, honey. That's the nice Lord's Prayer. Do you want to do it again?
No.
No?
No.
You gonna have a grape? You gonna have a grape?
No.
You gonna have a nice grape? Are those delicious?
They buy from Costco.
Yeah, we bought those from Costco. Look at Daddy, show me you're eating the grape. Is it good? Do you like it? I'm glad. I love you with all my heart. I love you, honey.
I want to read.
You want Mama to read? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.